And today, Colty and I have a very exciting product. What do you have today, Colton?
My bike!
He got a bike. Gotrax KS1 Scooter for Colty to test out. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try it out and see how he likes it. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you so excited?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Whoa, slow down.
Where's the brake?
As you can see, this is like a teal color. It's got light up wheels on it. It's fully adjustable. It has 3 wheels for stabilization. What do you think, Colty?
Beautiful!
It's beautiful. You're so good at it too. Look at you go.
Yeah, I hit the brakes with my feet when I get down.
Yeah? Well, can you stop for a second? Let's give everybody a close look at your scooter. So as you can see, it's got the nice rubber grips so your hands don't slip off. It even has a little compass on the top so you know what direction you're going. You can see it has the Gotrax logo. Wear a helmet, and when you lean, look at that, it actually steers. It's a low profile, so it's easy to balance. And they even have a little brake back here so they can just step on that and slow themselves down. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, but now I'm driven. Hit the brakes.
Going so fast.
I hit the brakes. Woo!
Ew. Awesome. So, Colty, how do you rate this on from 1 to 10?
I give it 100 out of 50, 10.
100 out of 50, 10? That's a pretty big number. Very nice.
Yeah, but I got a new brake. When you go too fast, I did this. That's the new brake.
All right, so I'm going to give you a closer look of the little scooter. As I said, it had nice rubber grips for the hands to save from blistering and to maintain a good grip. It's got the little compass up here. This is an adjustable neck, so you can loosen this and raise and lower it for different heights of children. But you can also click this in and make it even higher with 3 more steps here as well. So it's really diverse. This is your release if you need to pull the whole stand out all together for storage. It's got these nice big rollerblade style wheels. It does have steering, as I said, so all you have to do is lean to steer. You don't turn the handles. The board sits nice and low, close to the ground, so it's going to make it more stable, giving it a lower center of gravity. And then you have the little brake back here as well. And even the little small wheels in the back, they're a nice rubber wheel, so it's a comfortable ride, and they light up as well. Let's see if I can do this. But you can see the wheels light up, and it looks much better at night. So very cool little scooter.
Like the video and subscribe.
Peace out.